Welcome everyone to room 614 of the Hilton Indianapolis in downtown Indianapolis. This video is from September 2019, and this is a presidential suite. I'm not sure if there are others in their hotel, but this is the presidential suite at the room or at the hotel. So let's take a quick look around and see what the presidential suite looks like. So 2 bathrooms in here, 2 full bathrooms. You do have your Crabtree and Evelyn standard products at most Hilton properties. This bathroom is off the main area. It's really dated. This hotel was built in 1971 or 72. This bathroom doesn't really look like it's been updated since then. The tub is one of your older style tubs. The tiling's a little dated, and it just really looks worn out. So really wasn't too impressed with that, but the other bathroom we'll take a look at in a minute. But here's the main gathering area. You have a shea lounge, very large couch, somewhat comfortable. I laid on the shea for a little bit. It was a little, that part was a little hard, but wasn't horrible. You have a 37-inch TV. Looks like you could probably use some more space in here, or a larger TV, but it's not horrible. Wet bar, you do have a pretty generous sized refrigerator, not stocked. Most Hilton hotels don't have stocked refrigerators. And then you do have your coffee bean products, pretty standard with Hilton as well. So as you can see, this area is pretty massive. And we'll look at the workspace here as well. Good sized table, not a glass topped, which is great. You do have your outlet out there. Lots of space to spread out, and you do have 4 outlets down here. So really a great abundance of outlets. You don't have a USB there, but that's really okay. You do have a dining table here. The furniture, as you'll see as we go around the room, a little bit dated. It looks like it really hasn't been updated probably in a good 15 years. That's just a guess. But the table is pretty large, great for meetings, great for poker, whatever you want to do. And then you do have a random dresser here. Not really sure where it fits or what you're going to put in there. You do have your complimentary water. It says $5, but for Diamond or Gold members, that water should be complimentary as well. A nice picture of the Indianapolis State House. And we'll take a look here in the bedroom. So again, really generously sized bedroom here. King size bed. You do have another dresser here and another 37-inch television as well. I didn't get to use it, but channels are pretty typical. More storage space if you need it. And then you do have your typical Hilton bed. I actually found this pretty comfortable. Good size pillows, very firm pillows. The sheets were pretty decent. I'm not sure what the thread count was, but I didn't really have any trouble sleeping. And then the end tables here, as you can see, I talked about things being dated. Both of these end tables look like they've been through a lot. You can see a lot of wear and tear here. I mean, obviously not going to affect the structural integrity of it, but it does look like, from a style perspective, that this hotel could probably use a little bit of an update. You do have outlets on both sides, and you do have USB ports on both sides as well, which is great. I really like that. You do have another one in that small clock there as well, although I find that those don't really charge as well for whatever reason. Decent sized closet with a full ironing board, plenty of space. I usually throw my luggage on top of there, and then you have some extra linens for that massive couch I showed you before, which does open up into another guest bedroom. And we're going to take a look here at the master bathroom. So this is weird. This looks a little bit more updated than the other bathroom in here that we saw a few minutes ago in the front. Granite countertops, typical Hilton towels, Crabtree and Evelyn products as well. But the shower does look a little bit more updated than the previous shower. And again, it still looks like once you see this in person. It is still a little bit worn, but it does have the rainfall shower head as well, which not a bad feature. You do have a separate wand as well. What I do like about this in most hotels is you do have the ability to turn the water on without having to reach in and get wet if you still have your clothes on. So being able to actually access that the shower knob really is it may seem like an overlooked feature, but it really is a nice feature to have, because a lot of times you have these flat showers like that, and you have to actually walk in, turn it on, and I always end up having to get wet. Usually the water's too cold, or so I know, first world problems, right? But again, the hotel service here was pretty good. I did like front desk seemed friendly. The little bit I interacted with them. Carpets have been updated here in this particular room throughout the hotel. But again, I guess get the feeling this hotel is really in need of a kind of a almost total renovation. It looks like they've done things here and there, but there's a lot of hotels in Indianapolis, a lot of newer hotels. And in order for them to be competitive, I think they are going to have to start thinking about doing some significant room renovations. Again, it's a decent property. It's just an older property, so you should just be prepared for that. But again, presidential suite here. Hope everyone enjoyed this view and this tour. If you like this video, we'll be making more. So just click the subscribe button. Any questions or comments, and you can leave those down below.